Let's move on to next section, which is best trip. You can see this is also a card design. First card, second card, third card, and inside we have image, then text, and then few other items. Let's move on to coding. Let me collapse it. Add section as best trips section, then best trips, and then container, then row, and justify content center, and let give the h1 as heading, text center to it, and then margin bottom 5 and write it as best trips. Inside row, let's use 3-column layout and call md3, and then inside it let's directly use the card text of this one, and now we don't need this time block. Okay, we need text center, and we need card image top here, card img top class here, and yes, let's see, let's preview it, and you can see we have best trip as this. Okay, now for first part we have image as averaged, and here average climbing, and average climbing, and if you just save it, you get nice design. And now our text is 10 days and 800 USD. So here inside this part, let's basically convert into div, and here instead of card text, let's use info. And now let's write two sections. One is div and having a class call cal, and inside it we have image, which is basically a calendar, and calendar, it's actually called calendar 2, and then calendar, and then we have a span where I need to write 10 days, and also another div which is basically price, and here I need to write as dollar price, and here 800 USD. So basically USD 800 plus. Okay, now let's save it. Let's see the preview. So we got our style. Let's convert this info into flex and adjust the element as justify content between. This way I got left right, and I just need to make this info image small, best trips, and then card, info, and then image height as 30 or 20 pixel. Okay, and some styling to our span as well. You can see our span is this. Okay, so let's do the font size first as 13 pixel and make the font weight as light. Now you can see our card design is almost done. And now one thing remaining is this part, which is background. So let's add the background color as well. Background color is F9 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 and padding is 6 rem top bottom and 0 left right, and then this is a nice design. Now let's add 2 more bash strips. So just copy this qual md3, copy, paste, and second one is actually this one, national park, 3 days 300. Here I have Chitwan National Park, Chitwan as my image, Chitwan National Park, and then instead of 10 days we have 3 days for Chitwan and 300 for price. Here we have Pokhara, and then text as Pokhara visits, and instead of average climbing we have Pokhara visits, and we have 10 days we have 5 days instead of 10, and then USD $500. Now saved it. Let's see the preview, and nice. So it is now as per the design of the mockup. So here is a button, view more trips. Let's add to it. So collapse those rows. Let's give some bottom margin to 5, the whole row, and then here let's create another row and justify content center, and then make a button as btn as button a.btn danger, and then some padding px3, and write it as view more trips. Preview it. You can see this way, and we need some rounding to it, so definitely best trip and then button best trips dot button, and border radius 25 pixel. Nice. Also add some more left right padding, let's say 4. Okay, now it is similar to this. Now you can add some styling to this button, but I will leave up to you.